guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mizuki Arts. Today we're doing a little bit of like late Christmas vlog. It's actually Christmas Day right now, and I just set up my new desk chair, which I'm very excited about. I'll put a picture of it up on screen right here. I'm also recording on my brand new phone, which I actually bought for myself, and I just feel very, very blessed, and I wanted to capture some of that. I actually just started recording like collab video. By the time you're seeing this video, you will probably have seen it, but I'm gonna make it like a New Year's vlog, planning my business for 2026 vlog, and then also like a streaming vlog because I want to stream this Sunday. It will be my second stream. I want it to go a little bit better thanks to the new phone and everything. If I decide to run this vlog for like longer than a day or two, I'd also like to vlog some shopping. I'm still actually waiting for my phone case to arrive, so all this, my ambition for this vlog, entirely depends on when my phone case and everything arrive for this new phone and everything. Okay, I just accidentally wasted like an hour doing nonsense, basically just scrolling on my new phone. But I'm gonna take pictures of a couple paintings that I just finished, including my birthday fairy painting. Okay, mind you, I haven't gotten my case or like screen protector or lens protectors, but I feel like I need a like phone grip or something for taking photos with this phone. Obviously I don't have the case on it yet, so I actually finished this piece I think the 23rd, but I started it on my first stream, and yeah. And then there's another piece I haven't quite finished yet. I almost finished her Christmas Eve, but then I stopped working on her. And that's this girly. I haven't cut her out yet. I might, just to get her done at last. Okay, success. We have completed cutting this girly out and also taking photos of her, but I really like how this one turned out. She kind of ended up being like a second birthday piece in a way. Those were actually the first two paintings in my new sketchbook, so yippee! I want to say thank you guys so much for popping into my live today. It was so much fun. We painted backgrounds. We were going to sketch actually, and then I ended up just not feeling like that was very fun, either for you guys to watch or for me to do. I just felt like super art blocked, so I pulled out my watercolor paints and started painting backgrounds, and it was quite fun. I did quite a few backgrounds. There's a couple of them stored up there, and then there's a couple like to my right on top of a whole pile of other art supplies I have. But yeah, it was very impulsive, and that's kind of the beauty of live making art, like making art live. And I appreciate everyone that took the time to join. I really value your guys' time, so I appreciate you guys coming in and saying hi to me and hanging out for a little bit, drawing along, you know, all those things. I can't believe like people even pop in at all. Like, I'm always shocked that I'm not streaming to 0 people, and I'm like, I just appreciate it so much. So thank you guys so much. I hopefully will be doing this again next week, same time, same place, Sunday at 10 a.m. EST. So streaming was really, really fun today. It went a lot better with my new phone. So I definitely think some of the technical upgrades that come with a new phone definitely helped. I'm not sure if it's because I had to use a USB-C port and therefore the connection was different, or maybe better, like maybe my other USB ports are like worn down, or if it's because this phone is so much newer, so it's just gonna work better with like software. I don't know. But regardless, my first stream I had 2 or maybe 3 technological problems that were disruptive, and the third one even like was what ended my stream. Like I had to end stream because I couldn't get my camera back on and working. But during this stream I had zero technological problems. Now that being said, that could be a fluke. That could be like, you know, the software was working, the stars were aligned, everything was working right. But who knows? Only time will tell. But it was a great stream. It was a fun time. And lots of people were there. And I was very, very happy about that. To see, I think I peaked at like 7 viewers, which was pretty cool. Like 7 at once is pretty cool. I had some familiar names in chat, and that was really, really fun, as I did with my first stream too, and that was just really great. I really appreciate the support. I appreciate people taking the time to pop into my stream. So it was a lot of fun, and I'm gonna try to do it more consistently, like maybe weekly. I don't know that I want to commit to that yet, but I am having fun with it. And then earlier I did some editing too. I've just been sitting out here editing reels, preparing drafts, like for Instagram and everything. And then also I edited a couple videos that are coming up. Okay, it's 4:45. I am so tired and so cold from sitting out at this desk, just editing and then scrolling and then editing and scrolling, because I've been unproductive. But I'm really quickly going to show you what I made on stream today, before I just head inside and do other things. I made this floral background. It sort of looks mosaic-y, and I messed up, okay? I was stacking these backgrounds off camera on stream, and some of the green paint kind of got everywhere. And then I made this one. This one actually is the culprit. And then I made this one. I wanted it to look like a green archway with like a pathway underneath it. This one is a flower field looking one. This is acrylic marker over the watercolor. This one I wanted to look like a vintage wallpaper of sorts, and I feel like that comes across pretty well. And then there's this one, which I wanted to look kind of like a garden, like with one of those, I forget what it's called, those things that support plants, like vines will grow up them, but that's what I wanted it to be, basically. It was pretty productive. These are all backgrounds for future paintings, so I'm pretty happy with this. I probably won't do another update for today, so I will probably pop back in tomorrow. Good morning, guys. It is Tuesday, December 30th, and I have some updates for y'all. Yesterday I opened this Nami blind bag thing, or Nami blind box, I guess, not blind bag, because it was a box. And I got the super secret, like, rare one. Super secret. It was just the rare one, like the secret. And it was the one that I didn't want. Like, the one, I wanted all of the others, except that one. And like, I'd seen the secret, like, in the reviews, and I was like, it's not really my style. And that's the one that I get. Like, one of my friends looked it up, and the odds were like 1 in 72 boxes was the rare. So I don't know, this keeps happening to me. I have a calico critter, like a little otter dude. It's this one back here. He sits at the back of my desk, who's also supposed to be like a secret rare one in this calico critter blind bag series. But anyways, yeah, I was kind of like low-key crashing out about that yesterday, and I posted it on Threads, and someone I think was offering to maybe trade them. They were like, oh, can't you trade it for like 2 like non-rare ones? I don't actually think they were offering. I thought they were when I first read it, because I thought it said, can you trade them for 2 non-rare ones? But anyways, yeah, it was really funny, and people's reactions were really all over the place and really cute, and just like all a fun time. But anyways, today we are going to be taking photos and collaging and counting all of my paintings from 2025 for a New Year's post, because I think that would make for a great New Year's post, and it'd be great for me because I'm trying to track year over year how many fairies I paint and how many paintings I make. Last year I painted 114 fairies, which isn't exactly 114 paintings. It's actually more than that, because I did mermaid, and that was like 7 mermaids, and then I did more mermaids outside of that, and I did elves and all that. But this year I'm gonna try to count up everything, and then I'm also gonna count how many of those are fairies, because obviously I paint mainly fairies. Anyway, this is what we're counting up, by the way. Not all of this is 2025. Part of this, actually most of this one's 2024. A lot of this one's 2024, and this one just only has like a couple paintings in it. But yeah, all this, 2025. That is insane. And honestly, I couldn't be prouder, because this year I started a full-time job in May, I think. And I still managed to get all this art done, and like get a picture book out and do all this crazy cool stuff. I'm very, very proud. I'll be sad, I'm not gonna lie, if 2026 I don't make as many as I did in 2025, but I expect it, because again, for part of 2025 I wasn't working a full-time job. So like that's almost half of 2025 up until May, right? So I'm expecting there to be a difference for 2026, but I'm still really proud of this. Like, this is a lot of art. And I'm excited to count it up with you guys. I know there's at least like 90 some, because I did a count in November. And it was like 92 or 93, I forget how many fairies. And we're not going to count everything. I'm only going to count the ones that I did in 2025. So there's quite a few in here that will not be counted, but it's a lot of art for a year, a lot of art, and I'm so proud.
It ended up being 111 paintings, with 95 of which being fairies. I think there's something wrong with me, but who knows.
Good morning. It is January 1st, New Year's Day. I'm having a glass of ginger ale, okay? I'm all out of my cherry Pepsi. Today I actually have some things to do. I need to edit this vlog. I really want to do a voiceover for YouTube, because it's been like 2 weeks since I uploaded a video, which is kind of crazy. But I have been streaming those 2 weeks, and I also uploaded shorts and everything, so. But it's been a couple weeks, so I want to do that. And then I think I want to paint a little bit. We shall see how much I actually get done, because I go through periods where I really don't want to paint and I'm really unproductive, and then I go through periods where I really want to paint but I just can't make it work for some reason, like mentally. And then I go through periods where I really, really, really want to paint and everything clicks and I'm doing amazing. Like, I don't know why, but so we'll find out later today if it's I really want to paint and can make it work mentally, or really want to paint and everything looks like poo-poo.
So I ended up actually editing and making a video, and then spending some time with my sweet, adorable little guinea pigs. Here they are. Their names are Millie and Myrtle. Yeah, they're very cute, very excellent. They are my favorite creatures. Look at them. They always bring a smile on my face. Then I ended up painting at my kitchen table or dining room table. I had this ink of like a fairy holding a giant strawberry, and I really wanted to work on it and get some of that done. And the following day, which was Sunday, I ended up starting off with, of course, some guinea pig time as always. Sorry these clips are kind of all over the place. I do not record every day for these vlogs, just when I have something interesting to show you. So I apologize if the timeline is a little choppy.
Hi guys, it's Sunday. I just got off stream and that was so much fun. I am enjoying streaming so much right now. I feel like with my new phone, it's a lot easier. Like, it's a lot easier. And today we were really productive on stream too. Look at our girl here. She's almost done. I think she's so gorgeous. And it's such a great time to work with chat on this stuff. So I don't know, it's a really fun time. I really am enjoying streaming so much. I feel so, like, I don't know, just inspired, and like, I don't know, like, I so appreciate you guys popping in and chatting with me. We talked about like video games and art supplies and like a personality test even at one point. That was a lot of fun. Oh my god. I really want to do something special on like our next stream, like maybe open a blind box or something, because we also talked about blind boxes. I don't know, I just feel like it'd be a lot of fun to do something special next time, because I'm really enjoying it, and I'm just really grateful for everyone that stops in and spends some time with me. And so yeah, this is what we worked on, and I think now I'm gonna take a break, go take my meds, which I'm actually late for. Not good. Don't be late for your blood pressure meds, guys. Don't do that. Don't do that. I think I'm gonna eat some lunch, and then I think we need to lock in and work on this collab project that I've not been putting off, because I do want to work on it. I've just been like, first off, all week I was art blocked, so I wanted to work on other things for the start of this weekend. And second of all, the holidays really delayed things. But yeah, let's go do some things and be productive.
This drawing was for a collab with Ohuhu, my second collab with them actually, which is so cool. So it's actually been a couple days since I recorded anything for the vlog, but I think it's long enough. It's sitting at like 18 or 19 minutes in my editing program. I'm actually currently waiting for my laptop editing software that I use for my voiceovers to update. But I'm thinking this is the end of the vlog, so I want to say thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, and let me know how your 2026 is going so far. Mine's actually going kind of crazy. My car's in the shop right now, and the mechanics keep changing their mind about what they think is wrong with it. So, fun times. maybe I'll jump right into another vlog to tell you guys more about it. But anyways, thank you guys again for watching. I stream Sundays at 10 a.m. EST here on YouTube. Check out my Instagram and my I guess X or Twitter or whatever it's called. Follow me on Ko-fi. You can support me there if you want and get behind the scenes and work in progress pics and things like that. Join my Discord server if you're an artist or someone who wants to keep up with my work. It's been kind of quiet there lately, but I am still trying to revive it. So yeah, thank you guys again for watching. See you next week. Bye. Real quick before I end the video, I want to give a shout out to my Ko-fi supporters. So thank you so much to Ashley, Savvy, Tiffany, and Lilycorn. Your guys' support means the world to me, and it allows me to keep making videos just like this one. If you would like to join my Ko-fi page, there will be a link in the description box down below where you can get all these benefits and so much more. Thank you guys, as always, for your support. Be sure to let me know what you thought of this video, even though I did not do everything on the to-do list that I had wanted to do. But thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys next week. Bye!